how to turn on or turn off sync Samsung Internet saved pages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. And in the apps screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu button. And from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in settings, we tap on sync with Samsung Cloud. Tap on the left hand side panel. Next in here, tap on saved pages. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on sync save pages in Samsung Internet. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your web page, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.